It annoys you to have back pain again and again after washing several loads of laundry. Always stoop to remove the laundry. I had this problem until today too. Till today. Then I decided to create a back-fitting washing machine base cabinet, and I would like to show you this. Stay tuned. Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how to weld a steel washing machine cabinet that is suitable for the back. As you can see now, we need a lot of steel pipes as the main material. I chose 2 mm thick pipes with the dimensions 40 by 40 mm. In addition, I got angle bars that should serve as a charging surface for the washing machine and dryer. In the first step, you should prepare these angle steels. Use an angle grinder to cut the ends in a 45-degree cut. Then, of course, you have to chamfer the materials so that the weld seam adheres well. Lay and cut your profiles so that they form a frame of 120 by 60. Take the correctly separated angle steels and weld them together as shown in the video. Pay particular attention to the squareness. Then attach the feet from the base cabinet to this frame. To do this, you take your just separated profiles and weld them to the corners of the frame. Pay attention also to the squareness and additionally to the distances to the respective profiles. You can easily check this with an angle scale or a stop angle. In addition to the 4 feet at the corners, you have to attach 2 feet in the middle to ultimately create a drawer and slide it in between. To support the squareness, I have used so-called angle magnets, which allow you to weld at a 90-degree angle. You can optionally weld the openings of the profiles. All you have to do is cut a 40 by 40 millimeter plate and then weld it to your feet. Finally, you can paint the entire cabinet and create drawers, which you can then use this. I hope the video met your wishes and you subscribe to the channel. If not, do it anyway, doesn't cost you anything. Until the next video, you do it alone and yourself.